Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Google Pixel 6 Pro. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones, tapping on the search bars and typing in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer. Now select Open, and from this screen here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and after that allow. Now select Send on an Android and Receive on Google. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, like this photo. Just send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on Google, and then choose while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the QR code. After that, just wait. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!